Behold the toaster. But where did it come from? Meet Charles Streit, born in Minnesota in 1897. Charles Streit was a Minnesota factory worker with one major pet peeve: burnt toast. The factory's cafeteria couldn't seem to dish up anything but scorched bread, so Charles started tinkering. Toasters were around then, but they had some major drawbacks. They only toasted bread one side at a time, and you had to watch them like a hawk to keep the bread from burning. His model heated both sides simultaneously. A timer monitored the bread's progress, shutting off the heat when finished. A spring system ejected the bread when fully toasted. That's why it's called a pop-up toaster. Charles invented the prototype of the modern pop-up toaster, the same basic design that's used today. In 1921, he patented his device, which eventually acquired the name Toastmaster. Charles founded the Waters Genter Company and began to market his product to restaurants. In 1926, a revamped version of the Toastmaster became available to the public. The invention of sliced, packaged bread made toasters appealing for the masses. By the 1960s, the toaster was a familiar sight in most American homes.
So how genius is this inventor?
On the American Dream scale, he gets a 4 out of 5. Charles Streit went from eating burnt toast as a factory worker to selling toast makers to millions. On the benefit to humanity scale, he gets a 3. Automatic toasters are convenient. They allow people to make toast without supervision, but they're not exactly world-changing. On the ripple effect scale, he gets a 2. Charles Streit's pop-up toaster has inspired a host of improvements on the original design, from bagel slots to toaster ovens, but it hasn't really inspired many new inventions.
Let us know what you think. Email genius@howstuffworks.com. Also, be sure to check out our other How Stuff Works podcasts on iTunes.